In today's manufacturing environment, it is imperative that manufacturers have access to real-time data to enable critical decision-making and improve workflows. Autodesk Fusion Machine Connect offers unparalleled value for manufacturers, ensuring up-to-date insights, maximum efficiency, and productivity. This integrated and easily deployable solution enhances CNC productivity by automating machine monitoring and data transfer for manufacturers of precision machine parts. By enabling real-time monitoring and analysis of machine status, which can be accessed from anywhere on any device, Fusion Machine Connect empowers production managers, supervisors, and personnel to make informed decisions, ensuring optimal machine utilization. This constant communication between the machine and all workflow participants allows for any issues that arise to be promptly addressed, helping to reduce machine downtime and increase spindle productivity. Fusion Machine Connect is a cloud-enabled software solution that can be used alongside Autodesk Fusion. It bridges the gap between CAM software and CNC machines, providing automated transfer of NC code directly to the machine controller. This integration aids in reducing the risks and errors normally associated with the typical manual data transfer process. Fusion Machine Connect provides significant value by facilitating connected communication between CAM software and CNC machines, reducing errors and increasing efficiency, which can help improve workflows, maximize machine utilization and productivity, ultimately contributing to the overall success and competitiveness of manufacturing operations.